So a darning loom has these metal hooks that can go back and forth. And then this one has a metal spring, but you can get ones that either you use a rubber band or just some kind of elastic. And then you have a disc that has a slight dome on it, one flat side, and then the groove in the center for using the spring or elastic on. So looms are really good. These mini darning looms are really good for repairing holes. So you can put the hole, you center it over the disc. You loop it around there, and then that goes around there. And then you'd hook your thread through the fabric and then onto the loom. And then once you get to this point, you want to weave in all your yarns. Bring all the yarns to the back. Rethread my needle. And then weave my yarn through. Sometimes I weave two yarns together at the same time, over under a few times, and because this yarn is so fine, I'm not doing every other one. It's more like maybe every other three. So this is what the inside would look like. This is what the outside looks like. Another reason for using the darning loom is that it makes darning about 3 times, it goes 3 times quicker than if I were to just do it by hand. Then if I were to free form it instead of using this.